Good day, today I will present my Java GUI program, which is the agent dashboard. I will explain the structure starting from the class. First, we import this library contains the classes for creating the graphical user interface. Sa ato pa man ni ang gamit para maka-create tag, ug frame, panel, button, ug levels. Next, we declare our class called agent dashboard. This is the main class sa program ug dili tanan codes nga nag-form sa to ang GUI. This is the main method. Inside the main method, this is where execution starts. So we create a frame name agent dashboard. So ang frame mo ni ang main window sa atong program. And we also set the size to 900 by 600 pixels. ug set na to ang layout into border layout para ma-organize ang panel sa different regions. Next, we create the sidebar panel. So this is the sidebar panel. Ang layout ani ay grid layout, 10 rows and 1 column, meaning vertically arranged siya. And giset na to ang background into dark navy blue ug i-fix na to ang width to 280 pixels. Then we add a label called agent panel as a title sa sidebar. Then label center, then color white text, then font na Times New Roman, then bold and size 22. And then ang kanang makita na to sa screen is na to ang interface. Then we add sidebar buttons, and we can see na tulo ka buttons: dashboard, transactions, and logout. And each button is styled using our helper method style sidebar button. So gi-call na to or gitawag ni siya for styling with a parameter dashboard button or dashboard button. When same as the transactions, nagtawag yapon ta sa helper method, except sa logout button, gi-customize na to red para mo highlight siya with a color white text, then Times New Roman font. Then natay sidebar muna mga buttons, then nag-add ta og spacer para na ay space between them the logout. Then frame, nagamit ang tag border layout with west, so meaning sa west is left, so mabutang sa left side ang sidebar. Next is main content panel. On the right side natay content panel with a light background. At the top na ay level agent dashboard, then naka level centered with a Times Roman, then naka bold, then color, then naka border layout, then north, meaning sa north is top. And we can see in the interface ang agent dashboard is nasa top, and below this is natay mga cards pa yung arranged in 4 rows showing different information. So naka row then gap 25, then vertical 25. Each card is created using the create card method. So helper method gyapon ni siya for styling. So pangalan og create card. So each card is na ay total transactions, total earnings, branch name, and complete transactions. So every card has header and value part. The header has a dark color background with a white text, and ang value kay dark blue text. So ang header is muna transaction, and the value is like ang create. So kanang total earnings ba. So that's the header. Kinagamit tag border layout gyapon din naka-center. We also added exit handling para kung i-close na to ang window, ang program will stop because of the system exit. And this is the helper methods. So this is for styling. O naka-private na siya para only accessible inside the class. So for styling na dyan siya diri Then called style sidebar button. So maning ganyan na para maka-set tag color text o mga font. So this is for styling. Same as diri sa create card method. So set lang yapon diri color og mga font. Same as diri white text or same as diri sa title section. For styling yapon para isarag set sa tanan para dili na mag one by one sa code. Or for styling same as lang yapon diri and that's all, and thank you.